Welcome to RestoCycle. Oh, Scope Creep, how we love ya. We're making this super nice CBX super nicer because we can't help ourselves, but it needed some stuff. It needed steering head bearings. It needed some refinishing in a couple of spots. It, needs just to be made the equal of the rest of the bike. And so, yeah, we're into that many tools worth of work on it. So we're about to tackle a job that the first time we did it absolutely made me drink all the whiskey. And that's these steering head bearings. Getting these races out with this lower race is a real giant pain in the ass if you've never done it before, because there's nothing to grab on here. You can reach down in there from the top with a bonking stick and you have this tiny edge on the bearing to grab, and it's just it'll break your ass. So anyway, this is an OTC tool that we found, or someone turned us on to. We bought it on Amazon. It was modified as so, okay? It was a little too wide right out of the box. So we did a little grinding and surgery onto these two faces to make it narrow enough to fit in. Pretty simple in design. It's just like a collet. It's got these fangs here. We're going to insert it up in the steering head, tighten it up, which is actually like loosening it up, and we're going to back it out till that thing spreads. And then we're going to go up top with a nice big heavy bonker, and God willing and the creek don't rise, this lower bearing's going to come right out. And compared to the first time I did it and all the bad words I said, that's a big improvement. So, Dr. Cilio, come on over here. You want to do the camera? Okay. All right, so we want to catch that edge right on the lip of that bearing race. So we're going to put it out there and just kind of feel it over there, and then hold it still, and then back this out till that thing catches the second one, and just kind of rock it to make sure we're in place. Okay, so that's good. Give it a little twist so it doesn't move while I go get a tool. And that's where I brought a tool. And just back this out until it's got a really firm grip on that race. All right. So, Dale Waxler, this is for you. Okay, so it's wiggling around, but I don't think it's going to let go. Now we're going to go up top with Mr. Big Bonking Stick and a nice big drift, which I swear I just had one of. Here it is. Bonking device, bonking stick. Bad attitude. So come on up here. Look for breakable things in the line of fire. Get on top of the OTC tool. Bonk, bonk on the head. Getting anywhere, Doc?
Yes, I think so. No, tool's coming out, I think.
Oh, that's probably the race.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. This would be infinitely easier if we lowered the lift. Sounds like it's coming.
I see some race.
That is the sound of victory. So there you have it. The upper one is much easier. We can generally go from underneath and bonk it. I don't think we'll need to employ that tool, but for that lower race on these DOHCs, that can be such a pain in the arse. This is what's going on within there, and this will make your life a lot easier if you need to do this. All right, that's your MiniTech for today. Sayonara.